y'all, and welcome back to Mz.Kella's beauty channel. How y'all doing? Y'all miss me because I miss y'all. I haven't posted a video in a while, but we ain't even much gonna talk about that. What we're gonna do is we just gonna pick back up what we left off. That's what we're gonna do. So today I created this look. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm trying to try bold colors. I'm not a bold color person. My go-to color is gold and maybe like nude. I don't like bright colors. I don't do pink. I don't do purple. I don't do green. I don't do blue. I don't like no colors, but this year I am going to love colors. So I'm going to be giving y'all some colors on this channel. So if you want to see this look, stay tuned. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the whole thing. Y'all see my little bumps in the road? Yeah, so the bump in the road, baby, it was with the, you know, the contour. So I had this mahogany one because my skin tone was way darker during the summertime. So I had this mahogany one that was dark, and I was like, oh my gosh. But I'm telling you, blend it out. Okay, so let me tell you, wintertime, you know, you got to make sure you have the right foundations and the right colors and everything because your skin tone get lighter. So y'all seen where I had my little issues, but y'all see the blending is key when doing makeup. Make a mistake, always know the key to it is blending. That's it for this video. Before you go, make sure you guys subscribe, like this video, give me a thumbs up, let me know if you like it or not. Leave some comments down below if it was easy. Let me know if there's some things that you like to see, anything else you want me to do, any colors y'all want me to try. And yes, I will definitely be back with more videos. I will be posting a video every Sunday on this channel, and I will be posting a video every Thursday on my vlog channel. If you're not subscribed to my vlog channel, go ahead and go over there. It's also going to be in the description box below, so you can click there to go to my other channel. Make sure you subscribe to both because I'm coming with the videos. Like, we coming with it this year, 2021. Baby, we going, okay? So go ahead and follow along, and if you do complete this look, send me a picture in my email, which is Mz.Kella@gmail.com. Will also be in the description box below. Let me see how your pictures come out. If you follow along with me, please send them to me. I will definitely shout you out on my next video. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.